welcome to AB Anusara blog. And I want to share that it was said by my cousin who said recently in 2023 after the COVID, most of the people are suffering to hire the real people, and they are only hiring for the experienced people due to their budget and financial issues and their other production and manufacture and service issues. So it will be tough in 2024 to get a IT job and not a non-IT job also. So most of the people go for BPO, and you can also change your career path like that. My one of my cousin who is in IT said he was working there as a 17-year senior, and from that I want to share that HCL is also one of the companies that are suffering due to this COVID issue in 2020. So they may not have hired this thing. And in my last videos, I said like fake and real and forms, right? I want to give you a sample comparison of that. The original form is didn't have these datas, like they say we have to bring the originals and like that they mentioned here, right? For the Java flocks, like that they mentioned it came in the fake block. I mean, say in the fake block, the Microsoft Office form had this explained detailed explained thing, and this form is fake. And when I visited their company, in the outside the gateway one, they asked me to scan a QR code, and in that QR code this form came, and they only mentioned here the professionals can apply like that. And due to the confusions, and on the July 6 also, the 2023 2022 2024 students who came there applied for this form where they mentioned about this graduation batch year, but in the original form of their company they didn't give the proper graduation batch or other things. So even you find the interview based, when you are in OMR, near OMR, you first need to go there or scan the form, or you can also ask the people, former employees, current employees who are working in this company to send the form for the interview. And I will say this form I'm showing, right? This form is real, where I scanned it in that company gateway one via QR code. But this form, right, this form I took it via this fake blog. Actually, in that fake blog they mentioned about it, the tower 3 like that, and they didn't mention particularly like this. So it is better to confirm yourself with the former colleagues. If you don't have any colleagues, you have to go directly there if you are nearby the OMR, and check the data to the bodyguards. And it is the most common scam happening here. That's why I'm sharing this. In future you need to carefully analyze this Microsoft forms and the Google forms and other forms like this. And this one is fake, and this one is the real one. So you need to carefully go there and check, or you can't go there means you can just leave it, or you can contact them via their Google account like that. But mostly they are not replying properly. Even I visit their career page, like HCML contact us page. they are asking for the business email address. As a candidate, as a student, as a graduate, do you start a business? No, na. And they are asking for business email address to contact the customer care service inside the HCL Tech, and it is, this form is not a candidate friendly. And but you may, I will say, the experience of going inside the HCL company is nice thing, but they have to change this form for a candidate friendly, instead of only using for business purpose. So it will be good to avoid the scam blogs and forms like that. If they don't, most people will suffer. That's what I want to request. And they have to reply to the proper way for our questions, for the candidates questions, instead of not contacting, not replying or responding to our questions about this job post like that. Okay, thank you.